doing?
Hang on a moment, let's just talk about it.
Well, how about we finish what we started and kill him?
What if he's telling the truth?
So what?
I believe him.
Believe what? That a bazillion boogeyman will turn up just because we give people free will? He's a liar, Loki.
So am I, and I don't think he's lying. Not about this. Insane? Yes. But maybe he's telling the truth.
Yo, you might want to hurry. The timeline's about to hit the Dougie.
So what are you suggesting?
That we think about it.
What precisely is there to think about?
Weren't you listening to what he's saying? That's the gambit. Remove the dictator and what fills the void.
Ah. You want the throne.
No, that's not it. No.
I don't believe you.
Sylvie, the universe is in the balance. Everything we know to be true. Everything. I know the TV editor says both. But what if, by taking him out, we risk unleashing something even worse? All I'm suggesting is that we just take a few minutes to think about it. I promise you from my heart, this isn't about the throne.
He's thinking of trusting you. How's this whole thing been a con?
That's what you think of me. After all this time, sure, why not? Evil Loki's master plan comes together. Well, you never trusted me, did you? What's the point? Can't you see? This is bigger than our experience.
Why aren't we seeing this the same way?
Because you can't trust. And I can't be trusted.
Then I guess we're in a pickle.
Sylvie, wait. Oh, my back.
Sweet Jesus. Maybe he's lying. Maybe he's not. But the cost of getting strong is too great.
Fine. Do it. Kill me. Take your throne!
No.
Grr!
Wait!